This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Welcome, students. So as committed, in this video we will be having some practice about future indefinite tense. Let me give you a quick recap in future indefinite tense. In this tense, the helping verbs are shall and will, and we use first form of the verb. So I'll mention it for you, first form of the verb. So let's have a quick practice session and see how far we have covered. I will suggest you one thing. Once you watch the video, just take some time out and have some practice in order to see how much knowledge have you gained by watching the video. That will help you, that will tell you how far have you come and how much more time you need to spend in order to learn and have a command over the language. So let's have a quick practice session. So here, if you see, I've mentioned here future indefinite tense. That's we have covered. Helping verb, as I told you, is shall and will. As I told you, helping verb is shall and will, and here we use first form of the verb. So let's start with the first sentence. He will go to school. That's a positive sentence, and we will not now convert positive into negative. He will not go to school. Full stop, and then we will say, will he go to school? Question mark. So if you notice here, helping verb is will and verb is go, and not is in between these both, which I told you earlier in the videos. So that's the thumb rule you need to remember. So let's have another sentence. She will eat food. So let's have negative sentence. She will not eat food. Apologies for the typing. Will she eat food? Let's have another example. I shall go to market. I shall not go to market. Question mark. Shall I go to market? So let's have another example. They will travel. They shall not travel. Shall they travel? Question mark. Let's have another example. It will rain. It will not rain. Full stop. Will it rain? Question mark. Let's have some more examples. We shall study. We shall not study. Shall we study? Question mark. So if you see here, I've given you some examples. It's quite simple tense. It shows it has only just two helping verbs, shall and will, and it's a simple future tense. And if you look at the sentence structure, is quite simple and easy. I don't want to make it complicated for you. However, you need to remember one more thing. There are further three more future tenses which help you and us, which help us to elaborate further complex situations when it comes to time frame. So let's have some more examples. He will buy clothes. He will not buy clothes. Will he buy clothes? Question mark. Let's have some more example. She will pass the examination. She will not pass the examination. Question mark. Will she pass the examination? This is another example. Let's have some more practice, so that will help us to be more comfortable and have a better command. So you shall jump. Question mark. Let's do it. That's a positive sentence. Now we need to convert this into negative. You shall not jump. Shall you jump? That's a question mark, interrogative sentence. Now let's have another example. I shall take shower. I shall not take shower. Shall I take shower? Question mark. Okay, so let's take another example which is important. Let's take another example which will help us to further understand this tense in a bit more detail. She loves to eat melon. She does not love to eat melon. Does she love to eat melon? Question mark. Let's have another example. He drives the car. She will love to cook. She will not love to cook. Will she love to cook? Let's take another example. It will end soon. It will not end soon. Will it end soon? Let's have some more examples. I shall go to school. I shall not go to school. Shall I go to school? Question mark. Please remember, whenever you are writing a sentence, you need to keep in mind punctuation too. So if let's say you are writing a sentence, please finish the sentence with full stop, and when you're writing an interrogative sentence, you need to end it with question mark. So in this video today we had practiced some sentences in order to have some clear understanding. Let's have some more sentences, see how better are we understanding this tense, future indefinite. He will finish his work. He will not finish his work. Will he finish his work? question mark. Let's have another example. She will complete this project. She will not complete this project. Will she complete this project? So these are some more examples in order to have better understanding about the tense. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you next video. Thank you. Bye now. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com.